Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce server costs with DigitalOcean easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Once you are on the dashboard, take a look at your existing droplets. Evaluate which droplets are actively in use and which can be resized or removed. If you have underutilized resources, consider resizing your droplets to a lower plan. To do this, click on the specific droplet you want to resize. On the droplets page, find the resize option. Select a smaller plan that fits your needs and confirm the resize. Next, check the storage options available on your account. If you are using volumes, assess whether you really need all of them. Consider detaching or deleting any unnecessary volumes to save costs. Also, review your backups and snapshots. If there are old backups or snapshots that are no longer needed, delete them. Now, explore the possibility of utilizing DigitalOcean's app platform. This platform allows you to run apps without managing infrastructure, potentially lowering costs. Another way to reduce costs is by implementing autoscaling. With autoscaling, you only pay for the resources you actually use. To set this up, navigate to your droplets settings and enable autoscaling. Be sure to regularly monitor your resource usage. This will help you identify trends and adjust your plans accordingly. Lastly, consider utilizing the marketplace for optimized applications. Many apps are tailored to run efficiently, which can lead to reduced overhead. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce your server costs on DigitalOcean. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.